how to get your dark mode on TikTok. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing as well as tapping on that bell icon on so you would stay updated in this channel. So in this TikTok dark mode tutorial, so this will depend the result on your phone. So let's go ahead onto our Play Store. What we need here is both the TikTok Lite and the TikTok app. So as you can see here that I have installed both of the applications, so we need that to show you later on what I mean on why do I need both of these. So first is go to your settings, and in the settings what we need to find when we scroll down is the about phone, and we will be searching for the build number of our phone. Tap on that build number and you will be entering developer mode. So once you're in developer mode, go to the developer mode option or find the dark mode option on your phone. So I will find the developer mode in the dark mode option of my phone. So if you cannot find it, you can just search it in the settings search bar. So once you type in dark mode, a result will come, and then here you can enable your dark mode to your phone. So I will be switching it on. As you can see, I am switching on dark mode and my phone is now on dark mode. So let's see if this solution will affect the TikTok app. So again, this solution is not suitable for all phone models, so it would depend, but on Galaxy phones it will have a good effect, which means that your TikTok will go to dark mode. So in here, let us check my profile. So as you can see that my profile is not on dark mode. So this is where the TikTok Lite will come to our tutorial. So if it doesn't work maybe in your TikTok Lite, will affect it, will be effective. So in TikTok Lite, if it does not affect, again it is dependent on your or the model of your phone. So I hope this tutorial helps and thank you for watching.